Assalamu alaikum. This is 11th chemistry, and our today's topic is nomenclature. As in our previous lectures, we discussed the rules for naming these saturated hydrocarbons, and now today we are going to discuss the nomenclature of compounds which contain one functional group or more than one functional group. That is the secondary suffix. Now, here I have shown you the example. You can see this is. You can see here we have got the functional group over here it is the hydroxyl group, so it is alcohol. Now you can see if we have to take all rules into consideration. We have to first of all take we have to take this longest chain rule into consideration. Now you can see, now in that case, this the hydroxyl group should be it should be present in this in the longest chain. For example, you can see if we number it, this compound you have seen 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a 6 carbon compound, but we have also got a hydroxyl group over here. So this hydroxyl group which is attached to this CH2 group, it is it should be included. So if we include this carbon atom bearing this hydroxyl group, then start the numbering from this side, then it becomes 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. So now the hydroxyl group, the carbon containing the hydroxyl group, should be included in the chain, and the longest chain comes from this side. You can see here we have got these 5 carbon atoms. So they come now, these this group and this group, these two become the substituent. So the name of the compound is, you can see, if we name it from this side, 1 2, this is carbon number 2, and at carbon number 2 we have got this ethyl group, and we have also got this methyl group. Now the character name of the compound is, it is 2 ethyl and 2 methyl, and this is 1 2 3 4 5, that is pentan 1 all. So 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentan 1 all. Here again we have to take this alphabetical order into consideration. That is ethyl group, it will get the priority. So first ethyl group should be named. So 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentanol. Now we have got here one more example I have shown here. You can see here again we have got a hydroxyl group over here. So this is alcohol, and the chain becomes this is a 3 carbon chain, 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3. Now since these two methyl groups here, they act as substituents. Now the longest chain comes from this, it is from this, there are 3 carbon atoms. So this is propane now, and the hydroxyl group is over here. We have to number it from this side, then it is 1 2. So at carbon number 2 we have got 2 methyl group, so we can name it it is 2 2 dimethyl. This is propane, that is propan 1 all. Now again I have shown here one more example. Here we have got we have here a ketonic group is here, or oxo group here. Now you can see, and this ketonic group, it is to be included in the chain, and the longest chain you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6 carbon and the chain consists of 6 carbon atoms with this ketonic group at this carbon atom. So if we name this, now this methyl group, this becomes as a substituent. Now you can see if we number it from this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then this ketonic group, it comes at carbon number 4. Now if we number it from this side, then it's 1 2 3, then this ketonic group, it is at carbon number carbon number 3. So the numbering is done from this side, and we see the methyl group, it comes at carbon number 5. So it is 5 methyl 5 methyl hexane 3 one. This is also 5 methyl hexa 3 one. Again you can see here we have got again this compound. This is another example, hydroxyl group over here. So the numbering should be, this hydroxyl group, it is our alcoholic group, it gets the priority, and the carbon atom which bears this hydroxyl group, it should get the first number, that is 1, carbon number 1. Now irrespective of the presence of the other substituents, you can see we have got a CH3 group, yes, CH3 group over here. So 3 methyl groups are here. Now first of all we have to see the longest chain, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So again, so we can name this with this hydroxyl group, the carbon atom bearing this hydroxyl group, it should get the first number. So we have got 5 carbon atoms in the chain. So at carbon number 2 we have got methyl group, and at carbon number 4 we have got 2 methyl groups. So the name of the compound is, it is 244 is di 244 trimethyl. Since we have got 3 methyl groups, and this is pentan 1 all, 1 2 3 4 5, since this is a 5 carbon chain. Now again you can see here, this is another example I have shown here. This is ether group here. Now you can see, this is 1 2 3. So on one side of this oxygen atom we have got this propyl group, and on the other side we have got this methyl group. So this the name of the compound is, that is this at carbon, we have to number it from this side, 1 2 3. At carbon number 1 we have got this methoxy group, so it is 1 methoxy propane. Now again, one more example I have shown here. You can see here, this is an aldehyde group, here CHO group. Now if we see the chain 1 2 3 4 5, it becomes a 5 carbon atom chain. You can see here. Now since this CH2 group is to be included in the chain, so this should get the number 1. So we can get it, it should get first, the numbering should be started from this, so it must be included in the chain. You can number it from this 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 carbon atoms when this aldehyde group is included in the chain. So at carbon number 2 you can see we have got this is ethyl group, and we have got methyl group. So we can name it like this. It is 2 ethyl 2 methyl, this is butan 1-al, or simply butanol. Again I have shown here one more example. This is again aldehyde group over here. So 1 2 3. So at carbon number 2 we have got this methyl group, so it is 2 methyl propanol. Then again one more example I have shown. This is an unsaturated hydrocarbon with the aldehyde group over here, and now we have got this triple bond, so it is an alkyne. It is an alkyne, and you see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 carbon atoms in the chain, with this since this aldehyde group, it has got the highest priority, so numbering must be it must be done from this carbon atoms as 1 2 3. And at carbon number 3 we have got this triple bond. So the name of the compound, it is since 5 carbon atoms are there, so it is pent 3 ional, because at carbon number 3 we have got a triple bond. Again you can see here I have shown this is another functional. This is a cyanide group, nitrile group. Now, and this must be included in the chain. So with this there are total of 4 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4. So this is 4 carbon atoms are there, so it is butane nitrile. And again we see this since it has got highest priority, this numbering must be done from this nitrile group, that is CN group. Again one more example I have shown here. We have got two these cyanide groups or nitrile groups. You can see 1 2 3 4. So both these nitrile groups, they must be included in the chain, and we have got 4 carbon atoms, and we have got 2 nitrile groups, so we call it as butane dinitrile, butane 1,4 dinitrile, or simply butane dinitrile. So this is how these compounds containing one or more functional groups, they are named, and we will discuss a few more examples in our next lecture. So this is for today. Thank you very much.